Hello folks, welcome to Dear Stream English. Today we're going to discuss the difference between definitely and defiantly. Quite often, when we use a spell checker, we can confuse the two words, definitely and defiantly, because they look the same and the computer sometimes doesn't know which one to suggest. So what is the difference? First of all, please subscribe to the channel to see updates about vocabulary, grammar, test preparation, and much more. So, these are both adverbs. Can you tell me what is an adverb? The function of an adverb is to describe a verb, okay? Just as adjectives describe nouns, adverbs describe verbs. So we can use definitely to describe a verb. For example, I definitely want to travel this summer. Want being the verb. And we can use defiantly to describe a verb too. I defiantly rejected the new legislation. So how did you reject it? I defiantly rejected it. You can see here the definition of definitely is in a clear and definite manner, and defiantly in a defiant manner. But that doesn't tell us much about the meaning, because all it has done is taken defiantly and definitely and turn them into adjectives, defiant and definite. So we're going to go a step further and ask, what does defiant mean and what does definite mean? So, definite means clearly defined. Clear. Explicitly precise. Precise, exact. Forthright and unambiguous. Something that is definite means something that is not confused. Something that is clear and exact. She made a definite decision to cancel her subscription. Defiant is something that is bold, or something that is resisting, or another word for that is insolent. Okay? Something strong, something resisting, something that is strongly against something. I cannot talk to such a defiant person. You're a defiant person. You're too bold. I cannot talk to you. Here's some examples of the adverbs. Definitely. She said she will definitely come to the cabin next weekend. I can definitely understand your reason. And defiantly. She said defiantly that she would not come to the cabin next weekend. I definitely told her that I would not support the new policy. Some more examples. I'm just going to leave you with 2 more examples and then a short quiz. And I'm just going to play music so you can read it and do the quiz on your own. All right, good luck. I hope that was clear and easy to understand. In the comments, can you write one sentence using definitely and one sentence using defiantly? If there's any mistake, I will correct it for you, okay? Cool, thanks for watching and remember to subscribe. Also, you can go to my website and download the worksheet for this lesson. The link will be in the description.